In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets with Make.com. To begin, open your browser and go to Make. Once you are on the Make dashboard, take a moment to confirm you are signed into the correct workspace. This matters because templates and connections are saved to the organization you are currently viewing. Next, look over the main navigation area on the dashboard and select the option that takes you into the template section. You will be moving away from building a scenario from scratch and instead using a ready-made setup. This is the fastest way to connect Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets without missing any key configuration pieces. From the Templates area, choose Public Templates. Public templates are pre-built automations created to handle common workflows, and they are a reliable starting point when you want a proven structure. Now focus on filtering or finding the right template category. Select the filters so the templates shown include Google Sheets, and then refine again so they also include Facebook ads. This narrows the results to templates that are designed to pull data from Facebook and send it into a spreadsheet. After you apply those filters, scan the results and locate the template named Sync Facebook Ads Data to Google Sheets. Click on that template to open it. This template is designed to take incoming Facebook lead information and place it into Google Sheets, so you have a clean, searchable log of leads that updates automatically. When you open the template, review the template page carefully before proceeding. You want to confirm the apps involved match your goal and that the flow clearly ends in Google Sheets. If you see the correct template name and the correct apps listed, you are in the right place. At this point, you have successfully found the correct Make template for syncing Facebook ads data into Google Sheets, and you are ready to move forward with configuration inside Make, such as connecting your accounts and selecting the spreadsheet and destination sheet. And that is all there is to it.